Alright, good people, ladies and gentlemen, I want us to quickly look at this previous question paper that was written on the 29 November 2024. 29 November 2024. So let's quickly look at question 3 of it. Question 3 of it. Faster. Right. Which is this one. So which is this one, my guy. So we are going to go through the question first, which is this one. So we cannot do anything in assembled drawing without the part list. So the part list, it is the one that is very much important. It's to guide you how do you have to approach your parts. So by look of things, we are having part 1 till part 8. Part 1 till part 8. And the descriptions is there named the quantity. How many times are you expected to draw that particular item? So for instance, we are going to draw them once up until item what? Item 5, which they said to draw it 3 times. You understand? So then, let's come back to our part list. Our parts. So all these parts are given in what? In third angle orthographic projection. Do you notice that we've read the question, but we are analyzing? So let us analyze this diagram properly. We are given they are actually given in third angle orthographic projection. Third angle orthographic projection. There is the symbol. So this is item 1, which means if they are given in third angle orthographic projection, this is going to be your item 1, this is going to be your item 2, a front view of item 1. You understand? So this is a front view of the item 1, this is the right view of yes, it's fine now. Item 1. So this is the front view of item 2, this is the right view of item 2. This is the front view, right? So this is the front view of item 6, this is the front view of item 7, this is the right view of it. You get it? This is the front view of item 3. We are not given the left and the right. So this is the front view of item 5 without the left and the right and the top. So this is the front view of item 4, which is the push. So there is no front and it's all, right or left. So we are given the front only. You understand? We are going to start now. Remember, in my previous video, I normally emphasize that how do we assemble? So when you assemble, you look at the shape of that particular item that you want to fit and corresponding with the other item. You look at the shape corresponding the shape with what? With the dimension. You understand? So you look at the shape as well as the dimension, so that you confirm that indeed this particular item is fitting there. You understand? So in most of the time, item 1, it used to be the bigger one. So item 2, item 3, item 4, all of them, they must be fitted in what? In item 1. So that is why when we start to draw, we are going to start by drawing item 1. You understand? Item 1. And then when we draw item 1, we've traced the cutting plane. You understand? We trace the cutting plane so that those lines that they will disappear, we don't even draw them. Those ones that they will become dark, you draw them like that. You understand? So now let's see. So let's read the question. So the question reads as follows: draw to a scale 1 to 1 an assemble drawing of a full sectional front view of the pulley assembly. So the title of the drawing that we are doing is what? It's a pulley assembly. So they said to draw what? A full sectional front. You get it? So if they say a full sectional front, which means when we draw now, we will be taking the fronts only. We will be taking the front only. Why? Because of the question said the front. Using what? A scale of 1:1. So now let's start. So I'm going to start with the horizontal line here. So your starting point is very much important. starting point is very much important. So I'm going to start with a line here horizontally, just horizontal line, just a horizontal line like this. Then after that I'll draw another one, just a vertical constructional line like this. So at this point I'm going to start drawing what? This corner. It will be good as if we fold it like this. It will be good as if it's this corner. So that point where these two lines of mine are perpendicular to each other, I'll let it to be what? To be this corner. You understand? So from here coming this side, I'll record 12 plus 43. 12 plus 43, but then I am not going to add them like that. I'll tolerate the way as I can see them. So, oh, not 12, 21. 21. Do you see that's 21? So I'm going to record 21. There's my 21. It's right here. After I've gotten the 21, I'm going to go vertically down. And then after that, I see what? 43. From here till here is 43 millimeter. Is it clear? Yes, it's 43 millimeter. So I place it here, open it to 40. There's my 40. 45, 44, 43 is right here. You understand? Then at 43 millimeter, I draw a vertical constructional line. Remember that we are still drawing what? The given front view. We are still drawing the given front view. Right, so from there we are told from here going to the horizontal center is 45. Where is my 45? And this 45, my guy, is gonna give me the what? The horizontal center, which is this one. You get it? Which is this one. So that goes. There you go. So this 45, this is what is giving us. Then after the 45, I see a dimension of what? Of 55 millimeter. Is going down 55 millimeter. You understand? So yes. And then this 55, I can record it from here going down or here, as long as it's vertically going down. 50, 55 is that one. You get it? 55 is this one. So I draw a horizontal constructional line. You understand? So then if I'm at this extent, so which means this one from here to here, I can have it solid. Now I can have it solid, and then you must understand what is happening here, and you must understand what is happening here, and we are drawing what is going to be pointed by an arrow. So if they say a full sectional front view, which means this cutting plane there by our item 1, it was where? It was here at the center and pointing this direction, pointing this direction. You understand? So it was going to be here at the center. So why is it necessary for us to trace the cutting plane? So that we understand, especially to holes like this. You understand? So which means, in other ways, this one it will disappear. It's supposed to disappear, all of this, because this is the internal of this one and that one. They are inline to each other, so they will disappear. We are not even going to draw them. You get it? So but this one, it will remain. It will remain. All right. So why is it going to remain? Because the hex, or the time we were cutting, it went through. Because from here till here we cut it, and these are internal thread. From here till here we cut it. From here till here it's a hole. From here till here we cut it. From here till here it's a hole. From here till down there, the hex will cut it. You understand? So you can actually see it didn't disturb these two holes. It went in the center. You understand? So which means we are not even going to bother ourselves drawing this one. You get it? So with that, I'm simply trying to say we are not going to draw it dark here. So which means here, do not draw it dark here for now, because there will be some other parts that they will be fitted in there. You get it? So at 55, because from here till here is how much? It's 55. So from here going down, I see a dimension of what? Of 44. I can record it. 44. 45, there is my 44. So at 44, I can draw a horizontal constructional line. Horizontal constructional line. Just come back to extend this one. You understand? So after I've gotten this point, this one, so from here till here is 44. After I've gotten that one, I can have it solid down here. Which one is this one? From here till there. You get it? So it's dark. As much as I can see it, it's dark. Okay, then this one I'll have it dark already, and this one solid. Which one is this one? That one. Oh, you understand? It's that one from there till there. So this is the supporter. You are going to see it clearly, whereby there by your right view. Your right view. So this supporter is not at an angle, my guy. This is not 45. You will be just joining 2 points using your 30mm ruler, like this, from here till there. You get it? So this side, I can have it dark till here for now. Dark here till here for now, because I'm not quite sure what is happening here. All right, let's enter inside now. Let's enter inside. So what is going on inside? So we are told that you must go inside with what? With 12mm. 12mm. So from here till here is 12mm. I'm going to record it. The 12. This is 11, 12. Then I mark at 12. You get it? So there you go. Then from there, I can have the diameter of this one from here till there. Let me see, it's this one, there it goes. It's diameter 40, diameter 52. Diameter 52. So when you say 52 divided by 2, you are getting 28, isn't it? So I can simply open my drawing compass at 28, 26, sorry, not 28, 26. My mind is not here. So I come and place it here. I mark this side. I also mark this side. So where is my eraser? Just erase this one. So which is that one. So what is going to happen with it? So remember, the moment we cut here is also cut. So it's going to change to be solid. From here till here solid, 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 solid. You understand? So which means I can have it solid here and right here. You get it. I can have it solid. So since we said this one is going to disappear, my guy, this one, it will disappear. So I can have it solid here. Close it. There you go. You get it. So I cannot close it up there for now. I cannot close it up there for now. Why? Because of there is something happening here. There is a hole that is having internal thread. You understand? Internal thread, which is that one. When you take a closer look there by your what, your right view. Remember, they are given in the angle projection. Okay. So now what is going to happen now? After you've recorded the 12, so this one, it will automatically come out by itself. But how are we going to get that? Because look, from here till here, there is a certain diameter, which is the inner one. Remember, this is the outer one. From here till here, it was diameter what? 52. So the inner one is diameter what? 36. So if you say 36 divided by 2, you're getting 18, isn't it? So you simply open the drawing capacity 18 millimeter, so that I become accurate. There is my 19, there is my 18. Understand? So I place it here. Here I mark here, and mark here, and I mark right here. So with this one, it's gonna go straight dark till here, straight dark till here. You get it? So now I can draw this one dark from here till there, and dark from here till right there. You get it? Then from there, what is going to happen, my guy? What is going to happen? Position this camera nicely. So where are we? Okay, I can come back here and have this one solid. From here till there, from here till right there. You get it? So at the moment, this is what we are having, and I cannot draw it dark here. I cannot join it dark here for now. Cannot join it dark here there for now. So we are done with the internal diameters. Dimension of what, of item 1. So now let's fit item 2 into item 1. Does item 2 fit in item 1? Yes, it's supposed to fit. Remember what I said to you. I said you are looking at the shape. Does that item fit in there? You look at the shape, the outside shape of that particular item corresponding with the what? With the other shape of the item that you want it to fit into. Are we together? So we are going to take item 2 and fit it in item 1. So by looking at this shape, correspond with that one, and check the what, the dimension of your item 1, which is that one. The set, this is 12 millimeter. When you look at your item 2, we are still having the what, same 12 millimeter, from here till here. So this 12 and that one, they correspond. Remember, I used to say 2 or more things, they must agree with you, which indeed this one is fitting there. You understand? So again, when we look at this shape, because this is the shape that is actually giving us a clear, and it has got outside diameter of 52, and when you come to this part, this inside diameter from here till here is what? It's 52, which means indeed item 2 does fit in item 1. With which side? With this side. So you take this side, you put it there. Again, when you look at it, item 1, we've got 3 holes of what? Of M8, which means it's good as the same diameter 8. You get it? Diameter 8, and we are still having the very same holes there by item 2, which there are 3, and they are of the very same dimension, diameter 8 m8. So indeed this one is fitting there all together. But then do you see that I'm pointing the right views? But then we won't be taking the right views, we take what? The front views. You understand? So these 12 tallies with this one all together. So now what I can do now, I can simply consider the outside diameter. So from here till there is how much? Is diameter 90. Diameter 90. So the half of 90. Do you see that this is 90? So the half of 90, it will correspond with what? With that 45. From here till there. So remember, from here till there is 45. So it corresponds with the half of what? Of 90. So which means I can simply just place my drawing compass here. From here till up there is how much? Is 45. It's 45, right? Then I come just mark here. Get it? So that from here till there is 90. So now I'll just throw a horizontal line. Then I come back and be like, what is its thickness now? So the thickness of it is how much? Is 13. So from here till there is 13 millimeter. So I come here and record 13 millimeter. So 10, 11, 12, 13 is that one. After I've gotten the 13 millimeter, I am going to take this one, faint. You get it? So this one, the moment I'm just a little bit, you understand? Because I symbolize Uti, that's where the end of what? Of item 1 is. The end of item 1 is. So now I can come back to what? To have this one dark from here to the, which is item 2, and have this one dark from here till there. Right. So check again there by your item 2. If we cut here, so these two, they won't be disturbed. What is going to be in section or exposed is this one. That is along our cutting plane. You understand? So which means this, it will disappear, my guy. This one will disappear. This one will change to what? To be solid. So what is my next step? Is this one, 3 millimeter from here till here. So I'll record the 3 millimeter from here till here. Whether it's here, is still one and same thing. So 3 millimeter. So I can just put it at 10 and be like 1, 2, and 3. So I mark here at 3 millimeter. After I've marked, I can draw the horizontal constructional line of that 3 millimeter. You get it? So let me get the center of it. That center, so it's what? Is PCD. So PCD simply stands for pitch circular diameter. So the pitch circular diameter of item 1 is 68. Must tally with what? With the pitch circular diameter of my item 2, which is still 68. You get it? You understand? So now I'm going to say 68 divided by 2, which is 34, isn't it? So simply open my drawing compass to 34. Try by almost to be accurate. 34. There is my 35. 34 is that one. So I come and place it at the center. Just mark there. So this one is giving me what? The center. The center. Only the center for now. You get it? Then from there, what are we going to have now? We are going to have the outside diameter of this part. So from here till here, you get it. From here till here is how much? Is diameter 18. So if you say 18 divided by 2 is 9, right? So it's 9 millimeter. So open your drawing compass, 20 millimeter. 9. This is 11. This is 10. There is my 9 millimeter. After I've gotten that, I can come back and place it here and mark here and mark here. Get it? So it's 9 millimeter. So from here, so that from here till here is how much? Is double check. 9 millimeter. There is my 9. Come and place it here. Mark there. Mark there. Okay, they tally. So just extend this one faint. Extend this one faint. Remember, it's going to be dark from here till here, and from here till here. Only for now. Only for now. So which one is this one that I just drew? Which one is this one that I just drew? It's this one, my guy. It's this one. Where is it? This one from here till there. So we've just learned out this one seems to tally with that one. Okay. So then what is going to happen now? I can have this one solid here, just a little bit from here till here solid. Then I can go down just a little bit. Remember, we are dealing with what? With item 2. So since we are having this now, from here till there is how much? Is 8 millimeter. So which is 4 millimeter. So if you say 8 divided by 2, you are going to, there is my 9. I'm looking for 8. I mark it 8 and the 0. Get it? So that from here till there is 8 millimeter. So project constructional line faint, even this other side faint, all together, so that I can come and have this one dark from here till here, from here till here. From then you get it. Which one is this one? Is this one, my guy? It's this one. You get it? It's this one. So from there, what is going to happen now? So from here till here is that one. From there till there. From here till there is that one. From here till there. You get it? So it's going to be dark till where? Till 8 item 2. Remember, from here till here is my item 2. But then this whole of yours is gonna continue entering your what? Item 1. You understand? So, and be careful where you start recording your 33 and your 30. So this 33 and 30 is starting where at item 1. So at item 1 is this one. So I'm going from here, going this side, I record 33 and 30. You get it? This is my 30. I mark at 0. Then 31, 32, 33. Then I mark at what? At 0. You get it? After I've gotten that, I'll construct these ones faint, down faint, down faint. Right. So I'll leave it like this for now. I can just have it dark till here for now, dark till here for now. You know what is going to be fitted there is what? So the internal, the smallest internal diameter is diameter 8. So which means we must